Welcome to Gamma for Longevity Seminars. This video will show you how to turn a rough topic outline into a full patient seminar deck in about 4 minutes flat. This is for clinic owners, practice managers, patient educators, and care coordinators. Building seminar decks is often a time-consuming bottleneck, taking an average of 3.5 hours per deck. With Gamma AI, you can produce the same deck in just 4 minutes. Gamma eliminates the design bottleneck, letting you focus on content strategy. Compared to traditional tools like PowerPoint, Gamma excels in several key areas. Gamma uses plain text input and AI-driven design, automatically selecting layouts, fonts, and colors. It sources and places images contextually, generating a full deck in minutes. Edits are prompt-driven, requiring no manual clicking or dragging. The 4-minute longevity seminar deck workflow consists of 6 simple steps. Open Gamma, choose format, paste outline, pick theme, generate, and refine. This can take you from an empty screen to a 16-slide patient seminar deck in about 4 minutes. You can also download our free outline pack to speed up the process even more. Step 1 is setting up Gamma. Create a free account at gamma.app, then click New AI and choose the presentation format. Select a theme, and most importantly, enable detailed generation mode for richer content and speaker notes. The second step is crafting your outline. An outline of 8 to 12 bullet points is ideal, with each point representing one idea or slide. Start with a hook, a compelling patient problem, and remember to include a cue to add speaker notes and specify your audience. Step 3 is generating the deck. In under 90 seconds, Gamma can create 16 or more slides, complete with formatted bullets and speaker notes. Remember to verify medical claims and image appropriateness against primary sources, as Gamma uses general web knowledge and stock photos. The fourth step is refining the deck using simple prompts. You can add clinic branding, expand a slide for more detail, simplify language for a specific audience, or even add a call to action slide. Finally, export the deck to your desired format. Step 5 covers sharing and deploying. You can share a live Gamma link, export to PPTX for offline use, embed the deck into your clinic website using an iframe code, or present live in the browser using the full screen presenter mode with speaker notes. Here are some advanced prompt tricks. Explicitly tell Gamma your audience so it can adjust reading level and layout. You can also request specific slide types, like quote before/after comparisons or statistic slides. For protocols, ask Gamma to use a quote card or grid layout for visually distinct blocks. After a seminar, build an instant Q&A response library for follow-up. For a longevity 101 feet seminar outline, Gamma auto-generated 18 slides with 18 note sets and 14 AI-sourced images in 88 seconds. A follow-up prompt to add branding and a CTA took just 22 seconds, demonstrating the speed and efficiency of the tool. In the Brain Health After 60 Feet example, Gamma auto-cited specific data from The Lancet and automatically engaged large font mode because of the quote age 65 plus audience prompt, saving manual edits. It also added a local resources slide with placeholder links for easy customization. Comparing tools, Gamma is the only option offering full AI generation, a free tier, and automatic speaker notes. With a build time under 4 minutes, it is significantly faster than competitors and manual PowerPoint creation. A word of caution, Gamma accelerates the build but does not replace clinical accuracy review. Always verify medical claims, check image licenses, and ensure regulatory compliance before distributing. Also, remember Gamma's live link requires internet access, so export for offline use if needed. To recap the complete 4-minute seminar deck workflow: setup, outline, generate, refine, share, and review. You can download the Longevity Seminar Outline Pack using the link in the description for ready-to-paste topic outlines. That concludes the full Gamma workflow. You can download the Longevity Seminar Outline Pack for ready-to-paste topic outlines. The next video will cover using local LLMs with private patient data. And you can subscribe to the Longevity OS Weekly Workflow Digest for more AI tool deep dives.